Milk frother, electric milk frother with hot or cold functionality, foam maker, silver stainless steel, automatic milk frother and warmer for coffee, cappuccino, and matcha, black. Make creamy milk foam quickly. This milk frother will provide a fantastic creamy milk foam, giving the steamed or frothed milk with plenty of small bubbles and smooth texture as well as sweetness by heating it at the desired temperature in seconds. Foam frother can create your favorite drinks by simply frothing like a barista. Recommend to use whole milk fat content 3% for better result. Multifunction and high quality Our foam maker can make hot or cold milk froth for cappuccino or iced drinks. Heat up cold milk to 140 Fahrenheit for latte and other hot drinks with an ultra-quiet operation. This electric milk frother has automatic switch-off function and non-slip silicone feet for safe operation. The milk frother machine is made of stainless steel, BPA-Free, easy to clean, and fashion design. The milk steamer non-stick coating offers smooth functionality, easy to clean. Coffee frother is beautifully styled in stainless steel to fit into your modern kitchen. Cleaning brush included. Larger capacity milk frothers can froth 5.12 ounces 150 ml, enough to make 2 cups of cappuccino, macchiato or latte, and heat 10.25 ounces 300 milliliters milk or other beverages to ideal temperature. Great customer service. Nautor US-based customer service via phone and email to reach us. Our service team is available 24/7, ready to assist you with any trouble that you may experience. Package: 1x milk frother, 1x free cleaning brush, B1x power base, C1x transparent cover, D1x whisk, heating, E1x whisk, frothing, F1x user guide. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.